Alright, in this video, we'll see Packet Tracer 3.4.1.2 Skills Integration Challenge. Once again, I have the Packet Tracer file in the description box if you need to download and follow along. If these videos are helping you in any ways, please consider subscribing. So get back to this scenario. In this activity, two switches are completely configured. On a third switch, you are responsible for assigning IP addressing to the switch virtual interface, configuring VLANs, assigning VLANs to interfaces, configuring trunking, and performing basic switch security. Okay, requirements. Switch 1 and switch 2 are fully configured. Okay, so 1 and 2 are fully configured. You cannot access these switches. You are responsible for configuring S3, switch 3 here. We need to configure with the following requirements. IP addressing and default gateway configuration according to the addressing table. Okay, so for switch 3, it's 172.31.88.4 with the 24 subnet mask. So let's go ahead and do that first. Enable configure terminal interface VLAN 88, right? IP address 172.31.88.4 with a /24 subnet mask. Okay, that's done. And it says default gateway also. So we need to put the default gateway. So we need to exit here. IP default gateway, and we need to say it is 172.31.88.1. 172.31.88.1. Okay. Create name and assign VLANs according to the VLANs and port assigning table. So we need to follow this. Okay, create name and assign VLANs according to the table here. So first we'll start with VLAN 10 sales. VLAN 10 name sales. And the ports we need to assign VLAN 10. The ports we need to assign to VLAN 10 are 7 to 12. So interface range command here. Interface range F0 7 to 12, right? Switch port mode. Let me make this a little bit wider. Access, switch port access, VLAN 10. Next we'll create a VLAN 20 production. VLAN 20 name production. Now we need to assign these ports to VLAN 20. Exit interface range F0 13. Now exit interface range F0 13 to 20, right? Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20. Next is VLAN 30 marketing. Name VLAN 30 name marketing. Okay, exit. Now we need to assign F0 1 to 6. Interface range F0 1 to 6. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 30. Okay, and assign the native VLAN 99 to the, but we need to create VLAN 88 now. Exit VLAN 88 name management. No ports. Next is VLAN 99, exit VLAN 99, name native. Okay. Assign the native VLAN 99 to the trunk port and disable DTP. Okay, first we'll verify if it's trunking. So our port here is, yours could be different. Mine is G02. So interface G02. Uh, let's first verify if it's trunking already. Uh, do show interface trunk. No, it's not trunking. So interface G02 switch port mode trunk. Now we need to assign to native VLAN 99. So we need to say switch port trunk native VLAN 99. And now we need to say exit do show interface trunk. Here we can see G02 trunking native VLAN 99. Okay, good. And here it says disable DTP. So to do that, we need to go to interface again, G02, right? Is it G0? Yeah, G02 switch port non-negotiate. So this is the one that disabled DTP. Just say non-negotiate. Okay. Restrict the trunk to only allow VLANs 10, 20, 30, 88, and 99. Okay, so we need to say switch port trunk allowed. All right. VLAN first one is 10, right? Now just hit the up arrow, and here we just need to erase 10 and add what's next one, 20. Okay, up arrow again. Here we need to erase, we just need to say 30. Up arrow again, erase 30 and add 88. Up arrow again, erase 88, 99. Done. So we have 10, 20, 30, 88, 99 allowed. No, restrict the trunk to only allow VLANs 10, 20, 30, 88 and 99 are allowed. Okay. So use VLAN 99 as the native VLAN on the trunk ports. We have already configured that actually. You can see again. Exit do show interface trunk. We can see here G02 trunking native VLAN 99. So we have completed this one already. Configure basic switch security on switch 3. Encrypted secret password of it's a secret. Okay, so enable secret, right? And the password is it's a secret. Next one is console password let me in. So a line, we need to say line console 0 password let me in login. Next one is VTY password of Cisco, where 0 is the number 0. Okay, so this last one, last digit is 0. Okay, line VTY 0 to 15 password C1 $ C0. Okay, Cisco login. Okay, encrypt the plain text password. So exit, the command is service password encryption. Message of the day, MOTD, banner with message authorized access only. Okay, so we need to say banner MOTD message of the day and put like a hash symbol and say authorized access only and put the hash sign again. Disable unused ports. Okay, so let's shut down all of them. So and then we'll see which one we need to bring them back. So here say interface range FA01224 comma G0, mine is G02. So make sure what is showing for you. G02. I didn't put the comma there. We need a comma here. G02. Now shut. Okay, now all of them are shut. Now we'll bring what we need to bring: F06, 11, 18, and G02. Okay, exit interface range F06, comma F011, comma F018, comma G02. No shut. Now they will come back after going through the spanning tree process. Configure port security on F06. Okay, so let's go to exit interface F06. Only two unique devices are allowed to access the port. So the command, we did this some videos back. This is the switch security commands. So we need to say only two devices are allowed. So switch port. Let's actually make this command switch port security, which will enable switch port security. Now we need to say switch port security maximum, right? Maximum two devices. Okay, next one, learn max are added to the running configuration. So this is the sticky command. If you remember, switch port security, MAC address, sticky. Okay, I think it took it. It's sticky command here. Let me actually do that again. Sticky. Okay, and secure the interface so that a notification is sent when there is a violation, but that port is not disabled. Okay, so you might remember we need to say switch port security, violation, right? And it's asking a notification is sent. So we know that we have three options: protect, restrict, and shut down. But we cannot use shutdown because it's saying port should not be disabled. So between protect and restrict is the one that sends syslog messages to administrators. So we need to say restrict. Done. So actually we have 100 out of 100, but here is saying verify the PCs in the same VLAN can now ping each other. Okay, so we are done with this. Do WR. So we'll do some ping. Let's see PC. Let's go to PC1. Command prompt. We'll ping PC4. PC4 address is, because PC1 is on VLAN 10 and PC4 is also on VLAN 10. So it's asking to verify, make sure the PCs on the same VLANs can ping. So ping 172.31.1024. 172.31. 31.10.24, and it is pinging. Now we'll go to PC2. PC2 is in 20, VLAN 20, and PC5 is in VLAN 20 as well. So ping PC5 172 31 20 25, and it is pinging. So they are communicating each other. So that's it. We have 100 out of 100. Hope this helps. In the next video, we'll see another packet tracer activity. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you and good day. Bye-bye.